Looking for a reliable roofing company in Conover, North Carolina? At Hallman Roofing, we take pride in providing top-notch roofing services to the Conover community and beyond. With our experienced team of professionals, we ensure that every roof we work on receives the highest level of craftsmanship and attention to detail. Whether you need a roof repair, replacement, or installation, we've got you covered. With our extensive knowledge and expertise in the industry, we guarantee to find the best solution for your specific roofing requirements. Call us today at 828-999-2929 to schedule a consultation and let us assess your roofing needs. Visit our website at hallmanroofing.com/ConoverNC Roofing Company/ to learn more about our services and browse our portfolio of successful projects. We understand that a sturdy roof is essential for the protection and comfort of your home or business. That's why we strive to deliver exceptional results, using only the highest quality materials and adhering to industry best practices. At Hallman Roofing, customer satisfaction is our priority. Choose us as your trusted roofing partner in Conover, North Carolina, and experience the Hallman Roofing difference. Remember, when it comes to roofing, don't settle for anything less than the best. Hallman Roofing is your reliable roofing company in Conover, North Carolina.